The king of Amapiano, the legendary Babu Motha, Kabza De Small links up with Luxom at the opening of their new store. And it seems like it was great vibes, man. It's always nice to see when fashion meets music. And I saw the likes of Nkosazana Daughter, Lamise, the likes of Star Kev out there. And it seems like this new deal or this new partnership will elevate Kabza De Small's brand. The brand is already big music-wise, but when it comes to brand deals and fashion-wise, I think this was the right move for him. Some people been complaining that the merch is too expensive. And as you can see here, bro, everything is too classy, everything is top-notch. And it got me thinking, will they ever have that store in the hood, maybe in Alex or in Soweto? Probably they might consider bringing it Ekasi, because not everyone Ekasi is complaining. Some people Ekasi can afford. I think it will have more reach, it will have more appeal in different places, not just in suburb areas or in Sandton. Well, I'm not quite sure where this new store is right now, where it's located. But yeah, I just hope they bring this one to the road and test the market, bro.